Alright, so guys, on today's video we are going to show you how to sew a front zipper, a front shirt zipper. So we have done the opening, you understand. You can check my last post and you will know how to do all these things we have done right here. So now we are going to stitch the zipper inside of it, you understand, onto it, you understand. So the zipper length is going to be 5 inches. That is what you are seeing right here, you understand. 5 inches. We made it 5 inches. I don't know why it's not up to 5 inches, but it's still okay, you understand. So now this is the shirt that we are going to use. So it's a white fabric. So this is the zipper we are going to use for the what there's what you call the front zipper, you understand. So now we are going to turn it, we are going to turn it like this, you understand. So we will turn it like this. So now you will be stitching it on this place. So before I do it, I need to measure it itself. You see, you will stitch it from this place, you understand. Hope you are seeing it right. You will stitch it from the top to the down part. So when we end here, you will come this place. So we mark it with a pen. Can you see? This is where the whole end or the opening ended, right? So we will check it, we will trace it, you understand. So we come back of it a little bit back on it, or like half inches, you understand, at the back of it, you understand, or a quarter inch. Let's make it a quarter inch. So this place, you understand. So this place, you understand. So that is where we will stitch it all around to the top, you understand. So without wasting my time, let's stitch it. So before we stitch it, we are going to open this one. We are going to open the zipper like this, you understand. We're going to open the zipper, then we are going to put this one on this side, you understand. We're going to put this one on this side, then you put it on the mouth like this. So it's going to be like this. When we are stitching, it's going to be like this. So we are going to stitch it. Just watch the way I'm doing it and you'll be able to understand it, right? It's so simple, right? So simple. So just watch it carefully so that you're able to see exactly how to do it. So we are stitching it from the top. So now we are stitching it from the top to the down part, you understand. So you will start from this side, right? Then you make sure you are arranging it, or you make sure whilst you are stitching it, it's going good, you understand. It's going the way you want it to be, you understand. So I started this voila. I started this voila. You don't do that side. I don't like it that way, man. So guys, now we will stitch. We will screw the zipper to make it go the top side, you understand. So now we are going to do it like this, you understand. We are going to do it like this, you understand, to make it the way we were stitching it. To make it the way you were stitching it, or the way we want to stitch it. So guys, then we will come on this side, you understand. We will come on this side. I think we should go back a little bit, because where I marked it's not where I'm supposed to mark, because we are going to stitch it on the back, you understand. So this is where we are supposed to mark. Supposed to mark this place. Supposed to mark this place. You know, this is where you stitch it. You understand. This is where the opening ended. So this is where it's supposed to be marked. You understand. The zipper is supposed to be marked. So now we are going to make sure we do it better. So we are going to stitch it to make it come this part, you understand. So stitch it now, just to make it come this part. We will fold it on it, so we will make it come to this part, you understand, you guys. So when you come to this part, then you turn it like this, you understand. We will turn it like this, then we will continue stitching it from where we are stitching it, right? I'll make it come on this back a little bit. Don't know why it's doing like that too. So that we are coming on the front, you understand. So before I continue, I need to screw this thing back. This is a part back, you understand. I need to screw it back, you understand. I need to screw it back so that I can see what I'm doing, you understand. So now It's just you take your time. If you take your time while doing it, so that you're able to get the right thing you want to do. The ring self is coming. When you are stitching it, then it's going this way. I don't like it how we do. But anyways, let's continue. So guys, now we are going to fold this one on it like this, you understand? On this part like this, you understand? Just like the way I wanted it to be, you know, really. How you gave it. Oh my god. So guys, let's take it like that because the rain is gonna make it. Now you see right now. So guys, can you see it? So guys, can you see it right here? Can you see it right here? So guys, can you see? Alright, so guys, now we have done stitching it. So now you will cut this place. You see this place? You cut this excess part from it because I'm gonna use the zip for other thing, you understand? So I'm not gonna cut it. So I'm gonna iron it this back and iron the front and come and show you how it's looking, right? Alright, so guys, now we have done ironing the back. So let's obtain the back. You know, the weather has changed, you understand? So there's darkness here. So me, I don't care. I'm gonna show you. So after stitching it or after ironing it, hey, I didn't iron the front. But anyways, this is actually how the front zipper is looking, you understand, after doing it. So if you like this video, kindly follow, like, subscribe, comment and share this video. See you in the next video. This is a dawn shooting, right?